In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to create an insane diorama art. We'll start simple. Open your web browser and head to google.com. This is the quickest way to get where we're going, and it keeps everything straightforward. Think of Google as the hub that will take us right to the tool we need for generating our diorama visuals. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. We're using Gemini's image creation feature, and in this guide we're referring to that creative mode as Nano Banana. Typing the exact phrase helps you land on the official tool faster. If you see suggestions pop up, you can select the top result to save time. Next, click the official Google Gemini website from the results. Look for the link that points to gemini.google.com so you know you're in the right place. This ensures you're using the legitimate app with all the latest capabilities. If the page opens in a new tab, switch to it so you're focused where you need to be. Once you're in the app, click Create Image. That button activates the Nano Banana image generator inside Gemini. You'll see a prompt box where you can tell the tool exactly what you want. If the interface looks clean and minimal, that's perfect. It's designed to let your words do the heavy lifting. Now, let's make a strong prompt. You can use this detailed description. A highly detailed and realistic miniature diorama depicts a lively rural village atmosphere, worked on a workbench, and carefully reconstructed. This diorama features a winding dirt road that leads through a stretch of green perennial rice fields, along with traditional houses with thatched roofs. In the front, a clear river flows with lotus leaves and a few ducks. That description sets the scene, the materials, and the mood. For best results, keep your language specific. Mention textures like wood or clay, lighting like warm afternoon sun, and scale cues such as tiny fences or handheld tools. If you want even more realism, include words like photorealistic miniature, tilt-shift effect, or depth of field to help the tool understand your diorama look. When your prompt feels right, click Submit. Give it a moment to process. As the images appear, read the details closely. Look for the winding road, the rice fields, the traditional houses, and the river with lotus leaves. If the result matches your vision, great. If not, refine the same prompt by clarifying materials, camera angle, or color temperature. And that's it. You went to Google, found Google Gemini, opened the app, clicked Create Image to activate Nano Banana, wrote a precise prompt, and submitted it to generate your diorama art.